It's a cold one today. Jake, go for a walk? Let's go for a walk. Let's go get the mail. Let's go get the mail. Let's go get the mail. Come on, come on, come on. Let's go get the mail. Oh, mama. It's definitely a cold one today. It's minus 20 with the wind chill. Feels like a hot chocolate type of day, but more into coffee than I am into hot chocolate. But we can definitely combine the two, so let's do that. Check this out. This little guy right here is the main ingredient today, Nutella. We're making Nutella lattes. Hey guys, Charlie here. What's going on? Today we're making Nutella lattes. So, a couple of things that we'll need before we begin. We'll need the star attraction, which is Nutella. We need milk, and we'll be frothing some milk. Today we're using the electric frother, and we're making some mocha pot espresso. I'm not going to get into full detail today on how to make mocha pot espresso or how to froth milk. Guys, check out my other video. I'll leave a link up here on how to do that. So let's get into this. 1 cup of milk, steamed and ready to go. We'll need a double shot of espresso. Today again I'm using the mocha pot. And a generous tablespoon of Nutella. So let's get into this. Here we go. Okay, so the mocha pot, we're filling the water just below the purge line. Ground espresso, good quality espresso in the filter basket. And the mocha pot is assembled. That will go on the stove, medium to high heat. Next is 1 cup of milk. And we'll take that on the stove, medium to high heat. As it heats, we'll take the electric frother, we'll froth that, foam up and steam up the milk. And then we'll take, again, a generous tablespoon of Nutella, bottom of the cup. Now I love this stuff, so when I say generous, I mean generous. Okay, milk is done, time to put it into the cup. As you guys know, I like to hold back some of that marshmallowy, foamy milk. First we pour in the milk, and we add in the foam on top. Espresso on the stove is ready to go. And we're gonna gently pour it in, creating that layer. Guys, check that out, the Nutella layered latte. What do you guys think? Let me know, comment below. Finally, give that a stir, mix everything together. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, smash that like button, hit the notification bell for future videos, subscribe if you haven't already, and the Nutella latte. And we'll see you in the next video. Cheers.